Hello, I'm Gabriel, and this is the King Game Mobile for Windows Phone 8. It promotes greater social autonomy for autistic individuals, thinking that the treatment may not have constraints. We added to the Windows Phone 8 a sports bracelet, so the Windows Phone 8 will be always in the arm of the autistic child, at public places and at home, promoting social autonomy. The doctor, guardian, or parent can organize the game through a schedule of activities, which will have packs to assist the treatment of autistic children. Thinking about the convenience and how easy it would be, the same process activity scheduling can be done in the guardian or doctor Windows Phone 8 and pass it to the Windows Phone 8 of the child through NFC, which also prevents the child disturbing the treatment, as well as empowers sales for which autistic patient who buy the app is also estimated to self-father the doctor and the educator, noting that an autistic child has a medical buddy, a speech therapist, educator, psychologist, and others. After the scheduling process, the application follows the process based on the axis of treatment.
Wake up.
After interacting or not, the rights and wrongs made by the child are sent to the users registered in an application, doctors, parents, and guardians who can remotely monitor the social cognitive development of the child and also act as a monitoring and security system for the process of social inclusion and autonomy to be as safe as possible. It's a process based on the concept of telemedicine. Some activities cannot be scheduled, so using an NFC tag, it would be arranged and local camouflaged as decorative object, which will sell the same scalability of the business model. To do this, we'll have 3D objects, toys made in a 3D printer. The NFC process follows the same schedule containing the use of packs, tab, and teach. This initiative comes to be important for public places because no one would realize that the toy and the cell together would be performing the treatment of an autistic child. And yes, just a child with her cell phone and toy that is common to all children. Thinking about the well-being of the autistic children, we are already developing some service of scalability described in this presentation. After the scheduling process done, the application will show on the screen a pack at the right time. The time is going to be set by the parents or doctors. The image is going to show the child what's supposed for her to do. If the child does not recognize the image, a text is going to appear above the image, telling the child what's going to be done at the activity. If it does not work, a sound is going to be released telling the child what's for her to do. If it does not work, a message is going to be sent to the parents or doctors, telling the parents or doctors that the child didn't do the activity. And if it works, a message is going to be sent to the parents or doctors, telling them that the child did the activity.
Wet the toothbrush.
Same process occurs with NFC. The package of packs includes adhesives and 3D objects. You can buy your package of packs through direct marketplace for your smartphone, and also have a communication channel that allows educators, doctors, and parents to request new packs and always have new material for sale. For the need of a child can be the same as the other thousands who were unaware.
Wet the toothbrush.
On the menu, doctors, parents, and educators who will receive information about the learning process of the child is going to be registered, and the child's registration has the same information, including photo, so that when the report is sent, it's possible to know who is the child. On the PACS menu, the user can access those purchased and those which are available in the store to buy. Using the NFC, it allows to pass information from one to another smartphone. It's important for the professional environment of health, for convenience, and the schedule of activities of organization of several patients with autism. Recurrence control set the time interval of one share to another. And finally, there is brightness preferable and the volume. Following, there is a demonstration of how the game interacts with the child. If the child interacts positively by clicking on the screen to perform the action, a message of interaction is sent to the tutors. If it does not interact, A meal cycle begins after 10 seconds over and over again. The cycles are with Peck, Stitch, and Abba. If the child does not interact in any way, a message of not interaction is sent to the tutors alerting them.
Brush your teeth.
This is the Ken Game, a project of LifeFab Brazil. I'm Gabriel. Thank you.